To be successful in Russia, you need to consider a couple of very specific aspects. It is easy and complicated at the same time to enter the Russian market. On the one hand, Russia has a huge potential with more than 100 million prospective consumers. The Russian economy is experiencing an upswing again after the financial crisis, and many Western companies have already established subsidiaries or manufacturing plants there. On the other hand, it is also complicated, especially if you want to have lasting success in Russia. There are certain risks when you enter the market, but especially also when you expand your business activities there. And here, I'm not referring to subjects such as corruption, the somewhat missing rule of law, or the rather strong bureaucracy. No, I'm rather talking about factors which can be influenced by yourself. How, for example, do I find the right distributor who understands and lives my business model? How do I find the right executives, and how do I keep them loyal to my company? What is the appropriate organizational structure? These are all questions which seem to be obvious, but which are certainly not a matter of course. You need to understand Russia, its peculiarities and mentalities. Of course, there is no one single cure for the success in Russia, but there are certain general factors which you should consider, not only if you enter the Russian market for the first time, but also if you enlarge your activities there. And these factors, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to discuss with you in my seminar.